Hi, good morning. I am Anandi, Assistant Professor Biomedical Engineering in Emmanuel SRGG College of Engineering. Now I am going to present a topic on voltage follower. Voltage follower, it is an operational amplifier that outputs the same voltage as its input. It gives the output as its input. It's essentially following the input voltage without any amplification. Voltage follower feature high input impedance to prevent loading the source and low output impedance to effectively drive the load. The article provides a circuit diagram showing the connection of the output to the inverting input. It is crucially for maintaining the voltage equality between the input and output. Now we move on to the next slide. This is the circuit diagram. We are giving a power source as input in the inverting terminal, and the non-inverting terminal is connected to the output. It has very high input impedance. It makes very different types of circuits that require isolation between input and output signal. In this formula is used, that is the Ohm's law. It works on the heading under Ohm's law. Ohm's law is the derivation of current is equal to the voltage by resistance. It is equal to voltage divided by its resistance. As we mentioned above, voltage followers has a very high input resistance and very high resistance. And working of voltage follower, the voltage follower is designed to have a high internal impedance, because the input impedance will cause a large amount of current to flow through the circuit for a fixed voltage. Consequently, the voltage follower takes a large amount of power from the power source, causing a high source disturbances. From the circuit diagram, it should be noted that the output of the voltage follower is connected to the inverting input terminal of the op-amp. Due to this connection, the operational amplifier adjusts the output voltage equal to its input voltage. Therefore, the output voltage will follow the input voltage. And effect of high input impedance and low input impedance are, now we consider the input voltage is fixed and the resistance of the input and output circuits may change. Then, when the voltage follower has high input impedance, the operational amplifier does not load down the power source and draws a very small current from it. But we know for a voltage follower, the input voltage and output voltage must remain the same. For this reason, the output circuit have a very low input impedance, so that the output current of the op-amp could be of a high value to maintain the output voltage same as the input voltage. The use of the voltage follower circuit reduces the power consumption from the source and also results in the less distortion from overloading the electromagnetic interference. The gain of the voltage follower, it has unity gain. The voltage gain is practically cannot be exactly unity, but it's approximately unity. In terms of decibels, the unit voltage gain of the voltage follower is equivalent to 0 decibels. Why we use voltage followers in circuits? Voltage follower is used in circuits for electrical isolation between the input and output circuits. Voltage follower is used in circuits to obtain the desired voltage at the load terminals. It has some advantages. It is implemented using the operational amplifier takes almost zero current from the input power source. It has very high input impedance and low output impedance. A voltage follower gives both current gain and power gain. Voltage follower helps in avoiding the loading effect. Voltage follower does not amplify the voltage of input signal. Voltage follower has unity voltage gain. Some of the applications are, it is used for isolation of input and output circuits. It is used as a buffer in electronic logic circuits. It is used in bridge circuits through a transducer. It is used in sample and hold circuits, and it is also used in active filters. So let us conclude this by voltage follower is an op-amp based on electronic circuit which has equal input and output voltage. It is a non-inverting buffer having unity voltage gain. It is implemented using a signal op-amp. The use of operational amplifier in this circuit of voltage follower gives a stable unity gain. So thank you.